Hi guys, and welcome to Arlan Fix Stuff. And so today I have Keyfob that I want to make it a little bit better. If you can see, it has some sort of lettering here. It has lettering that is lowered from the body, so you can feel it. The letter is lowered, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint this letter into red color, so to make it a little bit more pop, a little bit more colorful. It's not just plain black Keyfob. It's so boring. It's not only applied to Keyfob, you can apply to many things like maybe a model kit. I'm sorry, there's a model kit, or maybe some sort of anything that have a lowered font like this. You can see that. So yeah, pretty much you can apply it to anything. So yeah, to make it is very easy. All you need to do is to clean the surface first. So I'm going to clean it with isopropyl alcohol, and then cotton bud. Sorry, that have the cotton bud here, and also leveling thinner. So let me back up my camera first. So leveling thinner here, or you can use regular thinner, and the main part is the plain Gundam marker, or maybe you can use pretty much acrylic paint, but I'm going to use Gundam marker, and this is the red color. So yeah, let's get into it. So firstly, I'm going to clean the surface where we want to paint, or you can use a dish soap, but to use dish soap you need to take apart all the part and leave the case alone, and you can wash it, let it dry, and after that you can paint it. So because I don't want to make this video too long, I'm just going to use IPA. So we need to clean it thoroughly from any dust or gooey, anything from any contaminant that sit in here. So yeah, just clean it. Alright, now the cleaning is done, and I'm going to apply some paint. So to use the marker, Gundam marker, you need to have some sort of surface to take out the paint first. So like this, you can see that. I'm just going to push it, and until the paint is come out like that, then I'm going to apply it to the Keyfob. Well, okay, now you can see that it's not perfect. It has some sort of excess paint there, so that's where we need to use a leveling thinner and a cotton bud. So just a little bit, not too much of thinner. We just dip into the cotton bud here. So I'm just put a little bit of thinner on this cotton bud, and I'm going to gently rub the outer surface of the paint of the font, I think. So I'm going to clean this first. Just make it slowly, and if the paint is come off, you can paint it again and make it a little bit better. Just take it slow and do it one by one. Alright, so I think it turned out great, and as you can see here, so yeah, basically you need to have a little bit of patience to do this kind of thing. So you need to carefully clean it, and then yeah, so in the end it turned out great. I'm very happy with it. So yeah, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video. I see you again in the next video, and bye bye. Thanks again.